Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. And right now, to break things up a little bit on the videos we've been doing, I don't know about you, but I kind of like fried bologna. So we're going to fry up some bologna. This is German bologna. It is cut a little bit thinner than what I like for frying, but it works. I also like onions. So we're going to saute some onions over here as well. Got the butter in here. Got the pan heated up. And let's toss that on there. Alright, not quite warm enough yet, but it'll heat up. It'll be fine. That's definitely warm. There we go. That's the problem with bologna. Thin slice. You get a little sticky. Right. Now we just put a couple of slices in the edges here to try and keep it from curling up. There we go. Alright, you know what? I'm going to add some of my onions in here too. Yeah, I added the stuff a little too early. The pan wasn't quite hot enough. That was my fault. But it'll be fine. The bologna this thin doesn't take that long anyway. Yeah. There we go. Sorry, I kind of like a little crust on it. There we go. Butter will do that anyway. This is all cooked in butter, not oil. And I didn't properly preheat the pan. A lot of that's my fault, but I do. Me personally, it's like my hot dogs. And to me, a hot dog is just tubular bologna anyway, so I like my hot dogs with that nice little char on it. So I like the bologna the same way. Get the onions sauteing here a little bit. Let's flip that over. There we go. Put that one over. There we go. That's the way I like it. This piece here is just about done. Matter of fact, I am going to call that piece done. There's our onions there. How's that side looking? Oh, we can go a little bit more on this. And that's it. I'm going to call that done as far as the bologna goes. And we'll just get onions over here a little bit. There we go. Those onions look good for me. And yes, I will be making a sandwich, but I'm just more interested in showing the cooking and everything right here. And also want to show you how we're going to clean this. I almost forgot. Yeah, found a piece of pepper jack. So I'm going to throw a piece of pepper jack on here. I'm going to take another piece while this is hot. I'm going to put it right there. And while this is nice and hot, I'm going to put that on top of here, which is on top of the onions as well. And let that cheese melt up a little bit. And to clean this pan, it's very, very simple. We're going to add some hot water. You can see the steam. To the hot pan. There we go. There we go. Take it over to the sink here. And this is all we do. Got my little sponge. Scrub it out. Okay, and look. The only thing that was in here was a little bit of butter, some onion, 2 pieces of bologna. That water, all beating up, that's not because of the butter, that's because of the seasoning. Okay, take the paper towel, we wipe this out. Alright, this is an old pan. I will probably add some oil to it later, but right now I'm just going to set it back on the stove. And that's it. She's done. She's clean. That's all there is to it. And I'm going to go build my sandwich now. Thank you all for subscribing. I appreciate it. And yeah, I'm just killing time because the wife left me unsupervised. And she also killed the internet. So I'm just filling in some time here. Y'all have yourselves a good day. Have a good weekend. Y'all take care. Oh, hey guys. I went to go make my fried bologna sandwich and found out I don't have any bread. So, yeah, here's a wheat tortilla that I'm just kind of browning up here, and basically just some butter. And we'll go ahead and make a sandwich out of that. Good Lord. My fault, again, for not checking. That should be good enough. And yeah, we're just gonna take that, put that there. I will fold that over, may even make a wrap out of it, and continue on with my day. Alright, I thought y'all might get a kick out of that. I didn't know I didn't have any bread. Y'all take care, have a good weekend, we'll catch you next time.